With Nolan here, and today we are just doing, I almost fell on that chair there, a daily vlog at my grandma's house. And Henry, you wanna go show my subscribers what it's doing outside?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm doing this a little bit, I'm making my video just a little bit different. Yeah, you hear that? Well, that's because it's pouring. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. Yeah, like look behind me. This is my grandpa's Porsche right here. So, yeah. Ow. Dang. I have a dentist appointment scheduled today, so, yeah. And my teeth are pretty white, not that white, kind of yellowish. But, yeah. If you didn't see my daily vlog yesterday, it also rained. Well, I wasn't vlogging when it rained, but it rained yesterday just like this. It's been raining a lot lately. So, yeah. Boring. It's so boring when it rains. Plus, my grandma's house doesn't really have anything to do. So, and my phone is the only thing that I brought, and that's what I record with. So I'm recording with my phone, so I can't play like games on my phone right now. Cause you know that I usually, I've always recorded on this, but I have to record it. Although, like that Titanfall video that I did, that was on my other camera. Because I have my phone that I use. And then, what the heck is that sound? Oh, that's a garbage truck. I was like, what? I was like, woo! I thought I was like, tornado already? Come on. So, yeah. My grandma is, working on this puzzle. It's coming along pretty well. Yeah. The way that I'm recording is that you have to you hold it, like the camera is facing, like right now my camera is facing, like I'm just waving my hand in front of the screen, okay? And it's showing up. So yeah, because my face is usually, so like, I don't know how it really does this, but yeah. So I think that will be good enough for this video. So, bye.